The first one say find the interior angle sum. What is my equation for the interior angle sum?
180 parentheses n minus 2.
Where n stands for what?
Sides.
The number of sides. Number 1 has how many sides?
6.
Number 1 has 6 sides, so my equation will be 180 times 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? 180 times 4 is?
720.
Please box your answer. The next one has how many sides?
9.
15.
Number 3 has how many sides?
9.
9 minus 2?
7.
180 times 7.
1,260.
And number 5 has how many sides?
18.
So it is 180 times 15 minus 2. 180 times 13 is how much?
2,340.
2,340. Just so we know, I'm not going to solve it, but a dodecagon is how much?
12.
Good.
The dodecagon, but not the 11gon.
We did that one during the talk.
I'm not sure what the name of that one is. I'll find it. For the next ones, it says,
Find a measurement of one interior angle of each measured polygon. Round your answer to the nearest two.
one interior angle is what equation?
180 parentheses n minus 2 over n. Is that right?
Yep. So it's a total sum divided by the number of sides. Total sum divided by the number of sides. Number 7 has how many sides?
4.
Therefore, the quadrilateral.
So you get 180 times 4 minus 2 divided by 4. What is 4 minus 2? 180 times 2 divided by 4. 180 times 2 is?
360.
360 divided by 4.
90.
That is your answer. Number 9. How many sides?
Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9.
9.
I don't think.
180 times 9 minus 2 divided by 9. 180 times 7 divided by 9. What's 180 times 7? 1,260 divided by 9. What's my answer, guys? 1,260 divided by 9.
140.
Yeah, 140. It's 140.
Okay, good. Right.
190.
Last one, 22 sides. So 180 times 22 minus 2 divided by 22. What's my answer?
163.6.
Divided by what?
My bad.
I just did this correct. I just went straight to the answer.
My father was a mathematician.
Good so far?
Is this homework?
Yes. Number 13. It says, find the measure of one exterior angle. No matter the shape, all exterior angles
Equal 360.
add up to 360. So what is my equation for these?
360 over.
And
Over n. So how many sides?
4.
You get 360 divided by 4 is?
90.
It is the same one for the next side as well, for the top. Turn it over. 15 is how many sides?
7.
So 360 divided by 7.
51.4.
Mr. Flores.
Yeah.
So like, to be honest, you could like literally only know like one formula and just solve all.
So guys, here's what Cameron did for the other problems. I showed second period, but that was it. So, with knowing just this one formula, he saw this whole shape. He said, this exterior, if it's 51.4, then a straight line adds up to 180. Therefore, how much is this interior one? 180 minus 51.4. 128.6. But now if the question asked him for the total sum, what would he multiply this number by? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply it by 7. That answer is so he only knew this equation here. But with that one equation, he was able to find every piece needed because he knows what it means.
Wait, I'm confused. How did he get?
So he used this one equation here to find this one piece here. Well, he knows that the interior plus the exterior has to equal 180.
Okay.
So he subtracted to find the interior, and he said, well, if they're all the same, then multiply by 7 to give me the sum. That way works. He only knows one formula, but he knows how to use it.
So you only have to learn one formula?
You pick your method. That's just what he does.
But it would work on all of them, like every problem?
As long as you know what you're doing. But if you show me these three numbers here, you box the one that it's asking for. I won't give you points if all three of them are there. Number 17 is a 20-sided shape. So 360 divided by 20 is 18.
Flores, can you skip all the way to 28?
These next two won't take me long.
Hello, amigo.
19. It means it's regular if what?
If all sides and angles are equal.
All sides are congruent. All angles
Barbara just looks great.
are congruent. So this one looks like it, therefore this one is regular. Is this one regular?
No.
It looks just for 28.
21. Concave
Is when a shape is a cave.
and convex.
The first one is convex.
No. Wait.
Yeah, it is.
So the first one is convex. 22.
Concave.
Because you can make a cave here.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Next ones. 23. You solve for one triangle first. Remember, if it's regular, therefore it's 7.8 all the way around.
So you multiply 8.1.
So, area of one triangle is how much? What's the equation?
Base times height over 2.
But then I multiply that by number of sides. So, base times height. What is 7.8 times 8.1 was 63.18. Let me write this down. 7.8 times 8.1 divided by 2 equals
31.59.
Big number.
so you get 31 point, what'd you say, 59? Times 7 is how much?
421.3.
221.13. If I wanted perimeter, what's the equation?
7.8
Times what?
6.
How many sides?
7.
7. What's my answer?
54.6.
Good. Number 25. Area of each. Area of a triangle is.
A equals base over height divided by base times height divided by
What's my base in 25?
5.
What's my height?
2.9.
So we get 5 times 2.9 divided by 2, which is?
If you get a total of 14.5,
7.25.
but we gotta round that.
7.25. If you round to one decimal spot, this one here, you get 7.3. Centimeters what?
Square.
Squared.
We're gonna get credit for that. Put in the
Units?
yeah.
Start doing them.
Alright.
Start getting them down. So I think I missed it in number 23 because they didn't give me any units.
Yeah, I thought I lost that habit of
27.
Wait.
Sorry, question?
No, I'm just talking about.
length times width times
27, what's my equation?
length times width. And if it was a rectangular prism, width times height.
So my area equals 2.7 times 7, which equals
18.9.
18?
0.9.
18.9 what?
Inches squared.
Inches squared. If it asks for perimeter, how much is the side here?
7 inches.
And how much is the side here?
2.7 inches.
You add them all together, my perimeter,
Would be a big
7 plus 7 plus 2.7 plus 2.7. 19.4.
4.
29, I'll skip since it's a triangle again, but I'll do one more. 26 or 28?
26 and 28.
Okay, I'll do both.
Because they're both different. Like rounded and
26,
I don't know what that was.
parallelogram.
That's a parallelogram?
The equation is
Base times height divided by 2.
Nope.
No?
just base times height.
Wait, then what's a rhombus? There's one for a rhombus, not for that.
It deals with diagonals, but think of it, a rhombus is also a parallelogram, so just do this.
So this is okay.
So it'll be 57.
So this base times height.
Yeah.
So
57 what?
Meters squared.
Remember, if it's a parallelogram, well, you wouldn't find that perimeter unless you knew this one here. And lastly, 28. What is my equation?
A equals base 1 plus base 2 parentheses height over 2.
What? What is that?
Area of a trapezoid for 28. 10.9 is what is my what?
10.9 is one of your bases.
So let's just say base 1. 3.9.
Why is base 2?
6.4.
H.
H.
Height. Height.
Oh my gosh.
G, so that. More like a switch.
10.9 plus 3.9 times 6.4 divided by 2 equals.
Wait, what? Times 6.4?
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
No, I wasn't doing it. I got 94.72.
Did you divide by 2?
No. 47.86.
47.36
14.8, right?
yards
Oh.
squared.
14.8 times 6.4.
And that is it.